Hello guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel once again. So in today's video we're going to be looking at multi-step 3 index. There is a very high chance the market is going to be buying massively. All right, so I want to walk you through the analysis from a higher time frame up to this what you've seen, because I'm predicting some possible buys. All right, from here, but there has to be a breakout first. All right, so let's go to a higher time frame. Let's check out the daily time frame to see what we have. And I think I need to take out these drawings so you can understand everything from scratch. All right, so first of all, we go to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, you can see that the market, there is a change of character in the market. There's a change of character in the market. And for my students that understand the engulfing candlestick strategy, you would understand clearly that the market is actually at a zone. Sorry, yesterday's candlestick closed bearish and engulfed the previous day's bullish candlestick, and also the market the current down had dropped to this zone. So we are expecting some buy activities from here. All right, and for the fact that we have this change of character, wait, hold on. Okay, yes, we have this let me confirm this. Okay, we have a change of character. All right, making it possible for the market to buy massively. All right, so at this point, looking at what we have here, let's go to the daily time, to the 4 hourly time frame. You can see the zone I mentioned. This is a very strong zone here. It's a very strong zone. Market bought from here previously, and it sold from here, and it's also, we are also expecting some buy from this particular zone again. This is a buy here, market sold from here, then it broke through here. So this is like a retest. This looks like a retest here, then the market will continue with the nice buys. So for that reason, let's go down to the daily, to the 4 hourly time frame, to look out for more opportunities. All right, looking at what we have, you can see the market has been creating higher highs and higher lows. Then the last higher low the market created was this, where we have this line just around this zone. This is the last higher low the market created. I had marked this low here. If I take out this drawing, if you notice, there is a line I marked somewhere around here. I marked this. Let me see if I can remove this line. Yeah, this particular line. Now I had marked this and waited to see what the market would do, because I noticed it was selling. So if the market was able to go below this low, close below this low here, then we would have been anticipating the market to be selling. But unfortunately, the market did not have that enough energy to break to the downside. So you can see the rejections here. So we expect the market to buy, and for the fact that we have another engulfing candlestick set up around here, my students understand that. Those who don't understand the engulfing candlestick strategy, they know what I mean at this point. So this gives us a sense of understanding that the market will possibly be buying. There's a very high chance the market is going to be buying, and for that reason we have to go down to a much lower time frame to define where we want to expect the buy to start from, because the market gets to a zone, there's no guarantee it can easily just buy. There might be some stuff, you may want to see some kind of price action activities around that zone to enable you, to give you that confidence, okay, the market is actually ready to buy or not. So if you go to the 1 hourly time frame, you can see the market has been selling until it got to that zone. See, the market has been selling nicely until it got to that zone, creating some lower highs and lower lows. Then it got to that zone. All right, so this morning I actually found the market around this zone. I actually found the market around this zone here, and I decided to place a trend line. I placed a trend line around here. All right, I had something like this. I think I had something like this before I removed that trend line. I think this is what I had, something like this, because this current high was not formed. So I had something like this. All right, then with this, if you can notice that the market was creating lower highs and lower lows. So going down to the 15 minutes time frame makes it more clearer. So with this, we have a continuation set of the market would want to be buying. And also I noticed this consolidation on the 15 minutes time frame. I noticed this consolidation. So as of the time I saw this, initially the market was somewhere around here. So I quickly sent I took a screenshot of this setup and sent it to my students. Told them we have to wait for the market to break out and then do a proper retest. Then we'll look out for some nice buys. All right, but unfortunately, the market didn't buy immediately. I saw it somewhere here. So later I noticed it had sold down to this level and it printed something that looked like a double bottom. You see, this is the first bottom here. This is the second bottom. This is the neckline. That's how I saw it. So immediately it got to this level, I took a trade at this point and took my profit somewhere around here. I think I made about $14 per position. All right. Then so let's mark out this zone. All right. So I'm expecting the market to I actually waited for the market to break above this zone. The whole idea was to, on breaking out of this zone, we want to see the market go above this particular high, then pulls back to this zone, then we'll see some massive buys. All right. So unfortunately, you can see the market bought above this zone on this 15 minutes time frame, but it never went above this high. It never went above this high to create a sort of change of character. All right, so you see the market still sold back to this level. And then if you go to the 1 hourly time frame, you remember my breakout strategy, that once there is a breakout, then the bearish candlestick that will be forming next is supposed to close above the zone. You can see the bearish candlestick did not close above the zone, instead it closed below. So this also invalidates the buy opportunity. So we have to still wait for the market to give us a better opportunity to take the buys. So that's what we are still waiting for. So but on the 15 minutes time frame, I will really prefer the market to get up to this particular high here, get close above this level here. On closing above this high, then it pulls back. After it pulls back, then we can find an opportunity to take the sells, the buys. All right, we find an opportunity to take the buys on a strong zone, then we enjoy the profit that is going to come from it. All right, so with the minimum lot size I was able to make, just imagine, with the minimum lot size I was able to make about $14 from here up to this level. Just imagine, let's say the market pulls back to somewhere here and you take a buy, then it is possible to, let's say you want to take the profit around here, guys, you make so much profit. Minimum lot size for this pay is 0.1. Then you take, let's say you take a trade, take the entry right from here, and then you are taking your profit around. It's about $30 profit with the minimum lot size. All right, so this is a game of patience. You have to be patient for the market to give you what you want. Do not trade in a hurry, like I used to say, guys. All right, so as long as the market is not giving me what I want, I won't take the trade. It's part of discipline, guys. All right, and also you must understand that the market, everybody always has a way of taking his entry. All right, there's a trader that can find an opportunity from what we have now and is able to enter a trade, but since that is not my strategy, I can decide to wait. So you have to be patient enough and wait until what you believe works for you, until it prints itself on the chart before you take any entry, to reduce the risk of losing money. All right, trading is very profitable, but you have to be very wise and very smart at it. All right, so you can see this a very nice setup, and we expected the market to give us some nice buys after giving us that condition. If we have this on the 1 day time frame, if this market finally buys, then closes above this zone, then I think the next 1 hour should, the current 1 hourly candlestick should be closing, once it closes, it should be the close of a 4 hourly time frame candlestick too. So if it closes above, then there is a chance we'll look out for some price actions, then we take some buys, because I'm actually really expecting the buys from this zone. I'm expecting the buys from this zone. But if at the end the market does not close above this zone and doesn't give us what we want, then you'll be looking out for some selling opportunities. That is, after it breaks this zone right down here, then we'll look for opportunities for some sales. So always have that at the back of your mind. If the buys doesn't play out, then the sell will play out if the market doesn't consolidate. All right, so just wait for the market to give you that opportunity, then you enter your trade. And the more reason I'm still expecting the market to buy is because of the fact that on the 4 hourly time frame, you can see there's no change of character yet, and on the 1 hourly time frame, there's no change of character yet too. All right, so that's why we're expecting the market to buy, to continue. The market is still bullish as it is, That's why we're looking for some buy opportunities. So let's just watch it and see how it plays out. If you are watching this video, I don't know when you'll be watching this video. If you watch the video before it plays out, then you can learn from it. But if you're watching the video before it plays out, then you just keep an eye on the pair and on the chart to see how it plays out. You also learn from it and possibly make some profit once the market prints out what we want. All right, so it's as simple as that. Meanwhile, there is an offer for some of you guys. I noticed that some persons who come to join my some of the mentorships I've been holding recently, you lack the full knowledge to guarantee that 1 month mentorship is enough for you, or would I say you have very limited knowledge. All right, and then you may need to enroll in a mentorship for at least 2 months, at least 2 to 3 months, to grasp a whole lot of information that will help you succeed in trading. All right, there's so much, there's so many things I need to, you know, make you guys understand, and then we'll be learning it very easily without trying to compress information because of the short time, the limited time we usually have. All right, so there's an opportunity now, and I'll be posting very important information in my Telegram channel. So if you are yet to join that Telegram channel, do so well to click on the link in the description of this video. It's going to take you to my Telegram channel. Then you'll find that information there. This information is basically for those who are interested in private mentorship. It is a very big offer. It's just a big offer because I just noticed that we've gone a long way on YouTube. All right, it's a way of trying to say thank you. All right, so if it's been in your how would I call it, you've been trying to join my private mentorship, then this is an opportunity for you. All right, so stay tuned, and meanwhile, like this video, share your thoughts in the comment section, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Stay blessed. Peace out.